This is a nice platform for me and for my company to get exposed to different kinds of diseases, the different methods of screening and how we score and analyze them. Um, so we learn to know about different kinds of pests, how do we extract from the field, how do we grow them, and how do you do the infection, whether it could be like bacteria, fungi, different viruses, nematodes. It's a good platform for me, so I got to learn many things here. People here are very nice. I hope I can take this message back to my country and my company and implement most of them or some of them, whatever I have learned here, way back to my home. Um, that would be like win-win situation for both World Best Center and company.
I came here to learn something new about the some protocols for disease screening, and majority we are doing also in our company. But here we learn something new, something more technical guidances which needed in our side, and that's all. We came here to learn, and thank you for World Trade Center to provide us some kind of memorable training program workshops, and we are hoping for the future also. Thank you.
I come here, I need to learn about how do you disease screening in here, how to inoculation, how to control disease, something like that, for to improve my some method in my company. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Licia Adli. I'm from Brunei, a plant pathologist. And when I first came here, I didn't know anything about breeding. But now that we are ending the training, it's sort of nice to know a bit on breeding, though I haven't done any. So far, the experience has been the best training so far that I have attended, and maybe in the future I'll get to I'll get to attend more trainings from World Batch. Thank you.
I don't know what to say. Hello, I'm Nurul Hanisa from Brunei. I work in the entomology lab in our country. So for the training is about mostly on pathology, but I think it's been good so far. It's very good experience, and the atmosphere is very welcoming. So that was very good. Hopefully we can come back in later years. Okay, thank you.
Okay, hello, my name is Rashipot. I come from Thailand. I responsible reading program, but I come here for the learning about new knowledge for improve for my program. And before I come here, uh, I don't know about disease screening, how to make, how to learn, and now I have new knowledge for improve my work. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tanvi from India, and since I'm from the breeding part and this training is all related to pathological parts, which is in conjugation with our breeding aspects. So Volvage is really advanced in all the pathological screening technologies, so I'm fortunate enough to learn these screening methodologies Volvage use. Thanks for that. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Karina from Hong Kong Cooper Seed Company, and originally I do molecular work, and I don't know a lot about pathology, and I'm glad that I have gained a lot of knowledge in this training course. The instructors are very helpful and friendly, and I'm glad that I can bring this knowledge back to my company to assist the breeding works of my colleagues. Thank you.
Yay.